can access the destination IP through port number 80. We can permit. We can make some mistakes in here. Host 192.200.200.4 equal to port number 80. Okay, here we can make some mistakes, so that's why only it will display the error message. Okay, next, so PC2 can access only the PC2 can access the web access. Remaining PC3 PC4 cannot access the web access, but remaining can be permit. So we can give access hyphen list. So 100 deny TCP any indicates any network that comes under the network 2, the PC3 PC4. Okay, next, the destination IP is host 192.200.200.4 equal to 80. Okay, in second statement it indicates access list 100. It is an extended access list. Here we can give deny. Deny means it can block TCP, that is port 80. Web HTTP can be blocked, any source address is any. That means the PC2 can access, but PC3 and PC4 can be blocked. Next, we can give the permit statement, because in access list is an implicit deny. If we can create access list means we can give permit statement. Access hyphen list 100 permit IP any exit. We can check the access list in privilege mode. Show IP access list. Here we can see extended IP access list permit TCP host 192.200.200.10 and host 192.200.200.4 equal to HTTP, and deny TCP any host 192.200.200.4 and equal to WWF port number 80. Permit IP any. Okay, now we can apply the access list to the router 1. Now we can apply inbound to that router 1. So we can go to that particular interface, configure T. Here we can apply the outbound. So we can go to that interface serial 0/0 interface serial 0/0/0. The syntax for creating outbound is IP hyphen access hyphen group. Here we can give the access list number. So here we can use the extended access control list. So we can use the number 100. So here we can give 100, and then we can give inbound or outbound. Here we can give outbound exit. So this is an source network and this is an destination network. In source network, PC2 can access the web access of server 0, and PC3 and PC4 cannot access the web access to server 0, but it can be normally pinged to server 0. So all other connections are permitted. So only web access can be denied to PC3 and PC4. So we can apply the extended access control list. So in extended access control list, we can configure in the router near to the destination router or source router. So here we can apply to the source router. Then we can apply the inbound and outbound. So here we can go to that interface serial 0/0/0. Here we can apply the outbound. So outbound means the PC3 and PC4 packets receive the router 1, but it cannot be sent to the router 0. If it is an web access means it cannot be permit, but remaining access it can be permit. We can check whether it can be working properly or not. So go to the web browser. Here we can give that IP address 192.200.200.4